today we'll be making eyeball pretzels from an eyeball pretzel dipping kit. This is what it looks like. Now we will open it. This includes a pack of long stick pretzels, a cup of red melting wafers, which are technically just white chocolate with red food dye, and some dark chocolate flavor melting wafers, which is just candy, and which is just chocolate. So that we will melt, and we will be also using this eye candy. So now we will be melting the chocolate wafers in the microwave with 30-second intervals on medium temperature. I put a little olive oil. Now we will be making the pretzels, and we will be dipping them into the chocolate sauce. Now we will be making, or may I be saying, forming the pretzels into our eyeball pretzel treats. So we will first start with dark chocolate. The consistency is very, very, very thick. You have a thick consistency of chocolate. You can add like coconut oil to make it thinner. Amazing. Now we just have to add the eyeballs. Very spooky. And to be extra can add like red dots on red. So it looks like blood. And just repeat that process. So now we will be trying the food that I made.
It tastes good.
Tastes very good. Hindi ko gusto yung eyeball.
The eyeball's mid. It's pretty hard.
How about you?
Very good.
I rated
Good.
an 8 out of 10.
I rated a 5.5 out of 10. Just kidding. 6.5 out of 10. Just kidding. 7.5 out of 10.
Do you recommend it?
Very good.
Happy Halloween! Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to watch more videos towards our channel. Booyah! Yummy. Very yummy.